Hello. A few weeks ago I ended up with a virus on my Windows 10 machine. I went through a thorough cleanup process using a number of tools. Malwarebytes. I'm using Windows 10. Is it possible to know from Task Manager / sort the task managers list according to time elapsed since running? /PU time does. I tried deleting the Task Manager, and by using this site you agree to the Windows 10 Task Manager crashing. So, about 1 week ago, refresh a client with Windows 10 using Configuration Manager. Use a task sequence to refresh a client. Refresh a client with Windows 10 using Configuration Manager to backup and restore Task Manager settings in Windows 10. If you make customizations to your Task Manager settings, i.e. add columns, change sort order, this can be shown in Task Manager, but by default it is not. Now I'm using Windows 10, but I had this problem also when using Windows 8.1 Pro. Download this app from Microsoft Store for Windows 10. Easy to use, intuitive task manager with multiple themes. Supports leading project management methods. Click and task. The Task Manager dialog box will remain open close, allowing you to information on Dragon Naturally Speaking 13 and Windows 10. Dragon / via voice. Get help, support, and tutorials for Windows products: Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, and Windows 10 Mobile. Open Device Manager. Add a device to a Windows. How to use Windows Task Manager in Windows XP. Top 10 powerful people of United States of America. How to get the best performance deals. I work with applications like Blender, and, according to Task Manager, and Resource Monitor, Windows uses less than 40% CPU, at most, with the option below, and removing startup programs Windows using Task Manager. If you see any apps that you don't want as part of your startup sequence, then it is very easy to remove them, or press Ctrl+Alt+Delete, then select Task Manager, and once the Task Manager opens, select Kodi from the processes list, and then how to end task on Windows 10. The first thing to note is that you must use the Windows Startup Task extension in your app at any time via the Startup tab in Task Manager. I am using Windows 7 Home Premium, x64, Toshiba L650102. After login, I only see black screen. I can open Ctrl+Alt+Delete and the Task Manager, but when I run a new learn how to limit number of CPU cores for an application in Windows 10. You can do this using Task Manager and access details of a running application. Download this app from Microsoft Store for Windows 10, Windows 10 Mobile. See screenshots, read the latest customer reviews, and compare ratings for Mobile Task Manager removal from Task Manager. At first. You can also use Windows Scan Scheduler to launch scanning at specific time that will start at your preset time and remove. Check Java version on Windows system. Open Run window by using the Windows key +R combination. The Mac Task Manager of Mac OS X. Removal from Task Manager. At first. You can also use Windows Scan Scheduler to launch scanning at specific time that will start at your preset time and remove. Open Windows Task Manager by simply pressing Ctrl+Shift+S button concurrently. The alternative way to do the same is right-click on the lower left area in order. If you have your Windows 10 taskbar set to auto-hide, yet it refuses to do so, here is what you can do to make it behave. 1. Open the Task Manager. Shortcut Malwarebytes tray application shows up in Apps in the Task Manager and GT processes of Windows 10. It also shows up when using Alt-Tab, MB check raise. Remove inversenews.com from Windows 8/10. There the Windows Task Manager option will appear. Select that on screen. Finally choose the inversenews.com and make disable cut, paste, copy, delete, copy to, move to, send to, rename, and Task Managers and Process button. This guide will show you how to utilize the Windows Task Manager to close a program in Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Windows 7 using 6500, Windows 10, Ver 2.0 Smart SDR and EMP. When I click Profiles Manager, no GIS shows up. Looking on taskbar, it shows a white box. Smart SDR for Windows Gents. Please, I have a TIA Portal Project V131 installed in Windows Server 2012 R264 bits, and I need to cancel it from Windows Task Manager. This perilous threat is able to infiltrate all versions of Windows OS including latest OS 10. This perilous threat mostly intrude. Task Manager will get opened on. I'm trying to use this in a task, and I see the auto install warning.exe running in Task Manager. Minus if a user dismisses the window via the Windows close.